Ever wondered where SQL, the language that powers most of today's databases, originated from? Let's take a trip back in time to the 1970s. During this era, a team at IBM known as System R began to lay the groundwork for what would become SQL. This team was not just any group of tech enthusiasts. Among them were two key players, Donald D. Chamberlin and Raymond F. Boyce. Their collaboration played a crucial role in the development of SQL. Boyce and Chamberlin were visionaries who saw the potential of a structured language that could efficiently manage and manipulate databases. They worked tirelessly, using their combined knowledge and expertise to create a language that could communicate with databases in a way that was both effective and user-friendly. Their efforts eventually led to the birth of SQL, a language that would revolutionize the way we interact with databases. So, the journey of SQL started in the 70s, but how did it evolve into what we know today? From its inception in the 70s, SQL has undergone significant changes. Let's delve into its evolution. After its initial creation at IBM, SQL began to gain traction. By the 80s, the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, and the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, had taken note. They recognized SQL's potential as a powerful tool for managing databases and made the decision to adopt it as the standard language for relational database management systems. This was a turning point for SQL as it began to solidify its place in the world of data management. But the story of SQL's evolution doesn't stop there. In the early 90s, SQL 92 was introduced. This was a substantial revision to the SQL standard, introducing a slew of new features. Among them were the addition of transaction controls, allowing for more complex operations, and the introduction of data integrity constraints, which ensured that the data within the databases remained accurate and consistent. SQL 92 was a game-changer, making SQL more robust and versatile than ever before. However, the evolution of SQL didn't slow down. As we approached the turn of the century, SQL 1999 was introduced. This iteration of SQL brought with it some significant enhancements. One of the most notable was the introduction of recursive queries, which allowed for a more sophisticated manipulation of data. SQL 1999 also introduced the concept of triggers, which are automated responses to specific events within a database. These additions made SQL not just a tool for querying databases, but also a tool for controlling database behavior. Throughout these decades, SQL has been continually refined and enhanced. It has adapted to the changing demands of data management, incorporating new features and functionalities to meet the needs of its users. It has moved from a simple query language to a sophisticated tool for managing and manipulating data. So, SQL has been continually evolving, but where does it stand today? SQL has come a long way since its inception, but what are its most recent advancements? In the new millennium, SQL continued to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of the data world. The SQL 2003 version brought us significant enhancements, including support for XML-related features, which opened up new possibilities for handling complex data structures. Then came SQL 2006, which introduced an exciting feature: the integration of regular expression matching, a powerful tool widely used in data cleansing and validation. This was a game-changer, making SQL even more indispensable. Fast forward to SQL 2008, where the focus was on improving the management of temporal data. With the addition of new data types and functions, managing and querying time-related data became more straightforward and efficient. Next we have SQL 2011, which brought in the concept of temporal tables, providing a system-versioned history of data. This was a significant step forward in handling historical data, making it easier for analysts and developers to track changes over time. In today's world, SQL's widespread use is undeniable. It's the go-to language for managing and analyzing data in databases, playing a crucial role in data-driven decision-making. From tech giants to startups, from finance to healthcare, SQL is everywhere, shaping our digital world by turning raw data into valuable insights. SQL has truly stood the test of time, becoming a cornerstone of data management. So, we've taken a journey through the history of SQL, but what are the key takeaways? From its humble beginnings in the 70s, SQL has come a long way, evolving to meet the ever-changing needs of the digital world. Its consistent relevance today is a testament to its robustness and adaptability. As we've seen, SQL remains a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data, making it indispensable in our data-driven world. From its creation in the 70s to its current state, SQL has proven its worth as a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data. It's indeed a language that has shaped the digital world as we know it.